my gate.
Gated dolphin? Here it comes.
Two platinum. That was awesome.
Another brilliant idea by me. They just keep coming and coming.